Hello my people, in this video we will see how to create a PhonePe account. Well, how to create PhonePe account. Step 1. Download the app from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Step 2. After downloading the app, open the app and verify your mobile number. Be sure that the mobile number you entered shall be the same one registered with your bank account. Step 3. Enter all the required details, name, email address, and set your 4-digit password and activate your wallet. Step 4. Tap on Create New Virtual Private Address (VPA). Step 5. Select your bank account link. The app will automatically fetch the details. Step 6. Confirm your bank details. And congratulations, you just learned how to create PhonePe account on mobile. Now you can start using the app to send or receive money or transact only with ease. For example, how to add a bank account on PhonePe, how to transfer money by PhonePe, how to delete PhonePe account, how to remove bank account from PhonePe. But well, that's all. If you liked the video and especially if it helped you, please leave a like, subscribe and share with your friends. Until next time.